Let's do a no makeup look for date night with my wife as I answer some dating cues. As a queer beauty content creator, I have a lot of LGBTQ people asking for basic makeup tips when you just want to look a little elevated. I'm gonna start by just evening out my complexion, but I still want to keep it pretty light. So I would say go with a light foundation or even just a tinted moisturizer. This one from Charlotte Tilbury is my wife's favorite, but today I'm gonna go and say, where the heck are we meeting people? Obviously, dating apps can be so great for this, but not everyone wants to meet online. Lean into a hobby that you already have. Join a running club or a pottery class, whatever it may be, because then you already have something in common with them. And even if they turn out to just be a friend, maybe they'll introduce you to the love of your life. Now use cream bronzer, blush, or both to bring some color back to her face and add a little depth. Today, I'm gonna go with both. Dating convo topics. One of my favorite questions to ask people, and actually a question my wife and I asked each other on our first date, is what is your ideal Saturday? It's a great way to learn if you're compatible with somebody, and it can also lead to a ton of follow-up questions. A little bit of brow gel to shape those hairs. Who pays on the first date? I believe that whoever does the asking out is the one that's paying, and it also opens for an easy second date. You say, hey, you paid for the first date, let me take you out and pay for the second date. You gotta have hydrated lips for the date. You want a little bit of color. This oil stick is so good. And if you don't want any color, this lip boost is amazing. It dries down more of a balm than a gloss, so it's not sticky at all. Should I be dating if I'm not over my ex? Going on dates and having fun? Sure. Dating for a relationship? No. And make sure you communicate that to your dates. And if you want to go the extra mile, you can always curl your lashes. Now go get that date.